Sleep is not just a period of rest, it is a critical component of our health and well-being. During sleep, our bodies engage in a myriad of restorative processes that are essential for optimal functioning. One of the key players in this restorative phase is melatonin, a hormone that governs our sleep-wake cycles and is produced in abundance between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. This precious window is when our bodies can gain the most from our nightly slumber, as melatonin significantly influences the secretion of human growth hormone, HGH. HGH plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions, including fat burning, collagen repair, and tissue regeneration. When we achieve quality sleep, the increased levels of HGH facilitate these processes, allowing us to recover from daily wear and tear more efficiently. Fat burning, an essential mechanism for maintaining a healthy weight, is boosted during sleep as the body uses this time to break down stored fat. This not only aids in weight management, but also supports overall metabolic health, providing energy and vitality for the day ahead. Moreover, sleep enhances our immune system. During restful sleep, our body produces cytokines, proteins that target infection and inflammation, thereby strengthening our immunity. Consequently, a lack of sleep can hinder this production, leaving us more susceptible to illnesses and infections. Additionally, the regenerative capabilities provided by melatonin and HGH are crucial for maintaining strong bones and flawless skin quality by promoting collagen production. The process of cellular repair during deep sleep ensures that our body is continuously renewing itself, mitigating the signs of aging and fatigue. In conclusion, recognizing the importance of sleep transcends mere awareness. It requires actionable steps toward better sleep habits. Engaging in a consistent sleep schedule can help maximize melatonin production. Limiting exposure to blue light in the evening, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensuring a comfortable sleep environment can all contribute to higher quality sleep. Aiming for 7 to 9 hours of restorative sleep per night will not only foster physical restoration through improved collagen and tissue repair, but also bolster our immune defense. Ultimately, valuing sleep as a fundamental aspect of health ensures that we harness the numerous benefits it bestows on our body and mind.